given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
3 years now. So I get affair with him papa. They always go Nigeria, sometimes go greet him father. So even now, if I dey pregnant, but the belle no be get her.
Wait, so you dey make love with your husband father?
Yes, ma.
This thing where you want talk, if in a lie, if you drink water, you will never have peace. Say amen.
No, mommy, no be lie.
You dey make love with your husband father. Your husband father, yes, how old is he?
Ma?
Your husband father, how old is he?
He's 52.
52 years, you dey make love with her. Where he dey carry you, they go now hotel? I been in house.
No, na the house where in na their family house. But na ain't get answer.
Now they your husband papa they make love with you.
Yes, mom.
Nah, no, I don't blame you. No, I not go. Nobody go blame you. The way to be this one not be anything. Then the belle where you get now, who get her?
Mommy, I know lie to you. I don't even know who get the belle. Now, whether my husband get her, whether my papa, I don't just know because before I go Nigeria, I go Nigeria. I never to say when I come back from Nigeria.
Okay, you go Nigeria now. How many months your belle day now?
My belle don't day, but I can 6 months.
6 months. Then how many months there when you go? So that make women wait don't bomb, make they help you calculate her. How many months there now when you come back from Nigeria?
Because I first go to Nigeria inside because I know first see my period before I go Nigeria. So when I reach Nigeria, based on all this coronavirus things, I no quick come back. So now I come Italy on the 27th of last month. Now I come. I did Nigeria all this while. So I don't know whether I carry belle go. I don't just understand.
Now, the father of your husband, how many times he make love with you when you did Nigeria?
Now always when I did there.
Every day night they make love with you.
Yes.
I did not say you be picking wife.
Me and him with the always even the time when I did me and him with always they talk, you know. With always me and him we even they more closer than his son. But based on say it's not the reason I say based on say na his father now. You don't understand. Based on say na his father, if he dey close to him wife. So me and him they always they close. Even when I say reach Nigeria first. When I take go there, I don't even see chance to reach my own side.
The father of your husband, na Bini be a Bina Orobo.
No, not the Bini man.
Who try?
Naisha.
Naisha ma. Your husband who call?
Naisha na.
You too, Naisha.
Naisha.
You too, Naisha.
No man, no be Isha.
You be where?
I be from Yoruba.
Okay, Yoruba, eh? So, as you the fuck father of your husband, he they kiss you?
Yes, no.
Una de romance.
Ma?
He they romance you. He they kiss your breast. No, no laugh now. Because you know, say, na go say me talk, I'm everything joking. So now this belle where you get, now the belle don't take 6 months. How many months a day now when you come back from Nigeria? More from there, calculator.
Now December 27, I come back.
December 27, now you come back from Nigeria. Your belle take 6 months now. How many months you spent for Nigeria?
That kind, no July now I take go.
July, we go make calculator. I bet make una help calculator. July. Come reach now your belly dey 6 months. May we know whether not the father of your husband.
Because na July, that kind July ending now take go.
Okay, July ending. As you just reach Nigeria, you and the man make love.
Yes, ma.
Okay, una make love. I bet make una help and calculate time. They say na 6 months. Na the father of your husband I get am. Now get the belly. Now they don't help you calculate time.
I don't know what thing I want to do. As in, the thing they worry me for head. I know they feel sleep. After they talk to you now, better say my husband no dey inside room. I dey palo and they don't sleep. Me even they hear wetin I dey talk. Now that be my problem. I don't feel keep and the thing they disturb me for mind. As in, I don't even know the kind shame when I want to tell and say, I see wetin they happen. You understand? It dey very, very. It is very, very wide for ears.
So,
I don't know.
Wait,
no.
Hello, my sister. My sister. Listen to me.
I would say
no cry.
Go far for go remove her.
No, not remove her. Not remove the pikin. Even though your papa give you the belly, now your husband go collect the child. 100%. So just relax. Thank God, say the pikin not be for her sides. So now see the same blood. No. Now your husband get the belly. As you don't confess her today, let your mind be free. Now your husband get the pikin. As far as like papa, what it be papa or no, your husband get some here? Why a child go behave like this? A child man, why you go behave like this? How can you fuck a pikin wife? Why you go behave like this?
Me, I don't know.
And if you make love with you,
I did very, very confused. I don't even know what thing I want to do. I don't know. I don't go up on that. I don't think. The thing no let me. It no come up for my mind. It no come out.
Make I tell you, my sister. You don't talk and make it come up for your mind. Now your husband get the pikin. Yeah, put it in your mind.
I don't want to make him go find out. You know. But what thing I want to talk?
How many years they now the friend the father of your husband? How many years?
Based on because when I take a day with my husband, that was in 2017. Now I take a day with my husband. So we don't already do everything. You don't even pay my dowry. People don't go see my people. You understand?
You don't pay your dowry. So, now you see the fucking papa.
3.
No, not here. You wait now. What's the one you put now when you're
the time when me.
I do tell you.
Even the time when me and the man start to they talk, it always they tell me say, me not fine girl, as in, mama, I don't know what I want to talk. I don't tire. Only what I need now, a word of advice I need. What I want to do, where I want to start from this kind of shameful thing.
No, no worry. Now your husband get the picky. Even though now papa give you the belly, that one are normal. No for your man, but now your husband get her. Your husband father property. Now your husband, now you go carry her. Yeah? Now your husband. But when the man talk to you the first time, why you not tell your husband? Say, see your papa, oh, they toast me. Oh. Why you not tell your husband? Eh?
Mommy, I know, as in, I know if he tell you, I know if he explain, tell you, say, as in, it just be me like, as in, I don't know the way I want to explain the word, you understand? As in, I don't just know.
Not be your fault. Nobody go destroy your marriage. As far as the man don't pay your bride price. Oh, how many children you get for the man? Huh?
See, I never first born. This is my first child in the carry.
First child, now your papa could they hammer you. Why the man go they useless like this? Why you go do this kind of thing? First time after paying your bride price, now your papa can't they give you belly. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, why people are so wicked. Oh, go balance. See how you give you pikin pain. Oh, Jesus. Why people are so wicked? Jesus, why? Oh, after all the money where the man spend, and papa can't carry. Oh,
I know. What's in my problem now? As in, I know they feel they sleep. Even food gone safe. I don't feel it. I how they think. Which kind of problem is this? I don't feel do anything. That's one say the only the same people they can't confess white things. Now I say, let me set it up my own come outside. Whether I will see advice. I need word of advice, word of encouragement. Where will make me all these things come up from my head.
For example, I want to ask you one question. How your husband, if you tell her this kind of thing, how you feel say he go fit, because you don't fit there with a man who don't know what he go fit do. If you tell her now say you dey dating papa, say papa give you belle, what you think say go tell you?
Wallahi, I know get idea. They know person mind finish. They know person mind finish. I know if you tell her now, say, see, if you tell me, say, me, I come off for house, where I want start from.
Hi!
If you tell me, as in this, I want to carry and sit down, say, see. I want to carry and sit down, to see what's happen.
Oh, the man, that man want just spoil your enemy marriage. Oh. But can you settle? I want to settle this matter.
What's be my problem? Well, I don't know what I want to.
Chebe, you they watch. Not cry. Because this matter